SPATIO project addresses the challenge of multiple unmanned aircraft in complex and dynamic environments by introducing enhanced tactical deconfliction capabilities and advanced U-space separation management services. This project is led by ENAIR in collaboration with more than 20 European partners. SPATIO solution, tactical conflict prediction, resolution, and implementation was successfully validated in a real operational environment at the Loring Airfield in Madrid, focused on testing both prediction and resolution capabilities in complex operational scenarios. The test evaluates tactical deconfliction between two drones managed by separate USSPs. A third nearby flight is included to assess how the multi-provider environment handles increased traffic density. Tactical conflict prediction. Function analyses candidate encounter entities and predicts conflict one-to-one. When the separation minima is reached, each USSP raises a tactical conflict warning to its own UAS operator, notifying about the predicted conflict, along with a notification containing an instruction or an updated flight plan. In the first case, tactical conflict resolution function proposes advice to the UAS operator, solving the conflict predicted by providing a heading and speed. The UAS operator shall acknowledge the advice, either accepting it or rejecting it, in each own ground control station, GCS. Once the conflict is avoided, a new avoidance instruction indicating the pilot to return to the original path can be sent. The SPATIO solutions deliver key benefits for the future of U-space: enhanced safety through an additional separation layer, increased capacity by enabling more simultaneous operations, improved efficiency in airspace use, and a step forward towards autonomous drone operations. SPATIO represents a key step towards a safe, automated, and scalable U-space, enabling the seamless integration of drones into European airspace and contributing to the future of the digital European sky.